Kumakalat nga ngayon ang video ng aktor na si Jack Roberto. Ito'y matapos ang naging announcement ng kaniyang girlfriend na si Barbie Fortesa sa Instagram nito. Doon, ang nasabing announcement ay naglalaman ng hiwalayan nila ni Jack. Nagbigay ng pahayag si Barbie Fortesa na ikinagulat ng maraming netizen, kung saan alam ng marami na napakatatag ng relasyon ng dalawa. Ayon kay Barbie, "Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. Having you in my life was the happiest I had ever seen. 7 wonderful years, a lot of laughs, a lot of amen, so much love. A lot of ramen, I mean. Your love was exceptional. But sometimes good things fall apart so better things can come together. Beautiful goodbye. Thank you for loving me the way you did. I am excited for what's to come for the both of us. You take care of yourself. May you find the love you deserve. I hope for everyone's understanding and I wish you can help us put this matter to rest." 18 hours ago na po to mula sa Instagram ni Barbie Fortesa. Sa mga nais po itong makita, naka-off ang comment ng nasabi nga pong komento ng post na ito ni Barbie. Binisita natin ang Instagram post din nitong si Jack. Wala pa siyang formal na pahayag. Kaya ang nasabing video na ito na kumakalat sa social media, kung saan ay nagpapaliwanag doon si Jack na marami silang walang post, hindi sila nagpo-post sa Instagram, hindi niya alam kung ang nangyari, wala pa silang usapan, ay matagal na video na nga daw ito ni Jack, which is halata naman dahil mukhang bata pa rito ang aktor. But anyway, narito ang naging say ng mga netizen. "Baka po may third party. Baka maaayos nyo ni Barbie Imperial. Sayang yung ilang years. Huwag mo siyang iyakan. Sus, ang daming babae dyan na mas deserve para sa'yo. When God closes the doors," say naman ng isang netizen, "He widely opens the windows. Tandaan mo yan, hindi siya para sa'yo." Dahil sa kumakalat na video, narito ang disclaimer ni Myra May Costimiano. This video was taken years ago for their vlog and it was a prank. Wala pa pong official na pahayag si Jack about their breakup. So kindly please refrain from spreading issues and creating speculations. Let's respect their privacy po. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owner. Please like, share, and subscribe.